Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to schedule Microsoft MB200 exam. Let's get started. Let's open your favorite browser. Here search for the MB200. Click on this link. This is the exam MB200 Microsoft Power Platform plus Dynamic Core. Scroll down here. You will get the option to schedule the exam. Click on this schedule. Here you need to sign in using the personal email ID. That email ID should contain the Microsoft account. If you don't have Microsoft account, click on this. Then we need to provide the password. Click on next. Here we need to give the first name and last name. Now it will give one verification code. I will log in for email address. See here, you will get the verification email address. That code you need to enter there. Now we done with creating the Microsoft account. It automatically goes to dashboard to schedule the exam. Here you have the title field. You need to select this title. After that your name, you need to enter the first name, last name, then a job title. After here you need to give the job title, address and city, country, state, postal code. After here it will take the contact email ID. Then you need to give the preferred language to take the exam. I will click on this English. After filling this detail, click on this. You need to accept the terms and condition of this exam. Then click on save and continue. It will ask, please verify that your name you provided matches the government issued identification. You should provide your name as the government issued identification name. Then accept. After the saving the details, you will redirect to this page. Here you can check for your email ID. You will get any offer or any discount for this exam. Here you need to enter the email ID and then click on the check eligibility. Then if it is any offer or discount is available for your account, then it will be displayed here. For my email ID there is no any discount. Clicking on schedule exam. Here you need to select where you will take the exam, at the local test center or at the home or office, or I have private access code. Here you have three options. You can select any one. I will select at my home or office. Once you click on this at my home or office option, it automatically gives the option to check your laptop or system is ready to take the exam. It will matches all the criteria like computer specification and all. It will check for that. You can check here also. Otherwise after scheduling exam also you can check that. Then click on next. After that you need to agree to the online exam policies. You need to click on all check boxes. Once you need to read the policies to take the exam. After reading this you need to click on check boxes. Then click on next. Here you need to select the preferred language to take the exam. What is your preferred language for the exam? English. I am selecting English. You have two options, English and Japanese. I will select the English. Then click on next. Here is the exam detail. The exam name is MB200 Microsoft Power Platform Plus Dynamic 365 Core exam. If you want to know the test policies, you can click on this view test policies. Then the price for the exam is 4,800. Then language is English. Then system requirement. Here it is giving the whatever the system requirement to take the test, that is giving here. After reading this page, you can click on next. Here it is giving the what is the language preferred the proctor to speak. Here you have two options. I am selecting the English. Then click on next. Here you will redirect it to the find an appointment page. Here some helpful hints are given. Read the hints. After reading, you can select the date, on which date you can give the exam. Here I am selecting the August 6th and select the time, at what time you want to give the exam. I will select this 9 a.m. Here you have the appointment details, exam name, language, and how long the exam takes. 2 hour 10 minutes the exam length. Then appointment date, appointment Thursday, August 6th, 2020. Start timing is 9 a.m. Then if you want to change any changes to the appointment, you can change here. Otherwise, you can click on the proceed to check out. Here you need to click on this accept. After that, you need to make a payment here. Here you have the another option to give the code, add voucher or promo code. This voucher or promo code will be given by your organization. If you completed any 4 weeks of training in the Microsoft, then the organization will provide you the voucher code. Once you give that voucher code, this total automatically set to the 0. You don't have to pay any amount over here. Otherwise, you need to pay the card details and you need to pay the amount using your credit or debit cards. If you have the voucher code, then after providing the voucher code, you click on apply. Then once you provide the voucher code and that and click on the apply, then the exam get scheduled for you. Otherwise, if you don't have any voucher code, then you need to give your card details. Then you click on the next. If you giving the bank details and you paying through the card, after that providing the information, you click on next. Then that exam will be scheduled for you. Once the exam is scheduled, you will get the confirmation mail. Your exam is got scheduled for you on which date and all, and you will get registration ID also. That's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.